Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Miller here, assistant principal at the high school. Just wanted to provide some information, some follow-up information on the senior portraits through Reed Portrait Group that we will be having here at the high school here in the next few weeks, and the locations of where those will be. So, per Mr. Gustafson's email that he had sent out to everyone on Saturday, May 16th from 4 to 7 p.m., Reed Portrait Group is going to be on campus taking photos for seniors and their families in 5-minute time slots using 6 different locations. So I thought it was important to highlight where these locations are. Students, obviously, you're familiar with most of these, but just so we're all on the same page, wanted you to be able to have a visual with it. So the first location that we're going to use is the main entrance exterior. As you know, this concrete path extends from the road into the building. There will be a little area set up, so that will be station one. Our second location is the outdoor marquee sign. This is located right off of 19th Street as you turn onto Campus Drive. Hoping for good weather. We will have something set up there as well. The third location is our main commons area, our cafeteria area. Um, as you come in the main entrance, as you just saw, this kind of opens up into the commons. Our next area is outdoors. This will be the stadium location. We're not exactly sure specifically where that will be located, but if the stadium, we'll have somebody point you in the right direction. We also have our new gym area. I will say that the floor is currently having some work done on it, so we're hoping to be on the floor, but understand that that very well may not happen. Minimum, we may have something set up here on top where your picture can overlook the gym floor and some of those newer spots up top. The last area that we have here is the new gym foyer slash commons area. You can see there in the background that is the stadium. So just on the south side there is an entrance with kind of a large area there. So those are the 6 areas that we have. Remember that you are limited to just one photo opportunity in one of these areas. Next, we'll kind of transition to what it looks like for signing up for this. So what you're going to see is you're going to get a link through software known as Sign Up Genius. It's going to look something like this. And the reason why I showed you those pictures is in that particular order it coincides with the sign up. So for example, the first photo that I showed you was the KHS main entrance exterior. Second photo that I showed you was the outdoor marquee sign, so on and so forth. So how this looks to you, starting at 4 p.m. all the way to 7 p.m. in 5-minute windows, you will have the opportunity to sign up. Now understand, this is on a first come, first serve basis. So once somebody signs up for that 5-minute window and submits, you are no longer able to sign up for that window. So now what that looks like is, let's say hypothetically you want to sign up for the 4 to 4:05 p.m. window on the 16th at the main entrance exterior. I'll go ahead and check that box. Then I will click submit and sign up. That's going to bring you to this next window where we will need some information from you. You're more than welcome to provide a comment in there. Understand that is not a requirement by any means. However, we do need the name of the graduate, first and last name. So if you could go ahead and provide that in there. We will also need an email address as well. And then lastly, a phone number in the event that we would need to contact anyone for whatever reason. So as you double check the name, the email, the phone number, and the details of the sign up, location, time. Yes, I want to do this, sign up now. It does give you confirmation with those details, and it will also shoot you a confirmation email as well. Okay. Pretty simplified, pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions with this, don't hesitate to reach out to me or reach out to someone in the office. We will gladly assist you with this. We miss seeing everybody here. We're really looking forward to everyone being on campus, seniors being on campus on the 16th. Let me know how I can help. Stay safe out there.